Welcome to Greenlight Capital's February 2026 market update. February is here. Let's break down what's happening in the Canadian housing market and what it means for your clients. The market is shifting as we head towards spring. Population growth is uneven, housing supply is tightening, prices are moving regionally, and buyer optimism is changing across the country. Understanding these trends helps your clients make smarter buying, refinancing, and investment decisions. Population growth has cooled nationally, but not evenly. Prairie and western cities continue to grow, while Toronto and Vancouver have slowed significantly. What this means for your clients: western markets may see stronger demand, while Toronto and Vancouver may offer selective buying opportunities. Housing supply begins to tighten. National listings have dropped in 5 of the last 6 months. Supply may tighten heading into spring. What your client needs to know: buyers may face more competition, while sellers could benefit from improved market conditions. Canada's regional housing slowdown. National home prices slipped 0.7% in the final quarter of 2025. But changes are uneven. Southern Ontario saw declines, while the prairies and eastern Canada continue to experience growth. What this means for your clients: timing purchases or refinancing matters in slower regions. Growth areas still offer strong appreciation potential. Speculative activity continues to fade. The share of homes resold within 6 months has dropped to decade lows, showing that house flippers were never a dominant force in Canada. What this means for your clients: the market is increasingly driven by genuine buyers and long-term investors. Reduced speculative risk creates a more stable environment for strategic property decisions. Optimism shifts east. House price expectations are increasingly polarized. Quebec and Atlantic Canada lead in optimism, while Ontario and British Columbia remain more cautious. What this means for your clients: regional sentiment can influence pricing trends, buyer behavior, and investment confidence. Clients can use this insight to identify emerging opportunities before broader market shifts occur. As February unfolds, understanding these trends helps your clients make informed mortgage, refinancing, and investment decisions. Greenlight Capital supports brokers, borrowers, and investors with fast, flexible, and common-sense private lending designed for today's evolving market. Contact us today to explore tailored solutions. Thank you for watching Greenlight Capital's market update. If you have questions or you're exploring private lending and funding options, visit us at greenlightcapitalcanada.com. We're here to help you navigate the market with clarity and confidence. And before you go, scan the QR code on screen to join the waitlist for our new lead generation program. Coming soon. It's quick, easy, and 100% free to join. We'll see you in the next update.